Do you want to get paid by just liking other people's posts on Facebook? If this is a thing that you want, learn more in this video. Hi guys, this is a boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you on how you can just make money by just liking other people's posts on Facebook or any social media. So without wasting much time, let's get started. As you can see, guys, just make sure you subscribe on this channel, like this video, also uh, comment down below if you have any question, guys, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make that happen. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the website that we are going to use, number one, is it's called admefast.com. So what admefast.com is, this is a website where we are going to use. Today I'm going to show you how you can just make money by just watching videos, guys, on and following other people's or liking their post. Then you get paid. So as you can see here, what you have to do is just come here with a register. Just register and you are good to go. A quick first, let's check what this website is. So as you can see, guys, they said we are the leaders in the field of social media marketing and promotion, user-friendly interface. We have user-friendly interface. They have more than 6.7 million users, and all of them, they're active. They have support, which is very fast, and the payment method that you can use, they have several secure payment method: credit card, crypto payments, mobile e-wallet, and many more. So now, once you register, you just come here and say register. You put your email address, you put your password. Again, you put your password. Then I'm going to log in since I've already registered. So here we are. As you can see, it's a brand new account. I created this account to just show you guys on how you can do that. So what you have to do, guys, is how are we going to make money now by liking other people's posts? You just come here. As you can see, there are several ways that you can use to make money, guys. And as you can see, there's a Facebook page, likes and followers, Facebook share. So what do you have to do as you want to like post? So what you have to do as you're gonna just come here, Facebook post like, I just click it. As you can see here, get free points by liking, following, and etc. other profiles or posts, as you can see, guys. So you get paid by just liking or following other people's. There are several ways that you can use, guys, to make money. So they said wait 2 to 3 seconds after follow, like, subscribe, and then close pop-up window. Then you get 3 points for liking. Once you get those, you keep on doing that. The more points you have, the more you're gonna have more money, guys. And unfortunately, I don't know I don't know how many points you need in order to make a lot of money. But as long as you keep on doing that, you see. So let me just show you example what I'm saying. Let me just, once I click there, it will take me straight to the Facebook. Then that pop like this guy, it will pop up. Once I like it, I earn money. I like it. Then I'll close this tab. Then close, as you can see. So let me see if I earn. In order to see that, you just scroll down here, down to the dashboard, and to see how many points I made. So you can do that as many as you can see here. I already have the 0.0084 US. So you can keep on doing that. The more you keep on doing that, you see the money increasing there. So you can do a lot of things, as you can see here, guys. Let me nicely. Yeah. So you can do Facebook post, share, Discord members, Reddit members, also Telegram. So you can follow Telegram, Instagram likes, TikTok followers, TikTok video likes, Twitter follow, a lot of social media, guys. You can do. There's also YouTube, and also what this website does is, if you want, you can buy likes as well. You can buy likes from this site. You buy likes if you have a post that people they're not liking. You just buy for a lot likes here, then you're good to go. You can buy as many as you can. As you can see here, if you want to like to get a page for, so just come here. As you can see, country worldwide. You just put title, put my Facebook post URL. I'll start seeing clicks here. Then you click save changes. Then you are good to go. This is how you can grow very, very, very fast on social media. You can get a lot of likes here, guys. Likes and followers using this site. So it's good site, guys. They are good, these people actually. They are legit. So you can go out and test for yourself. So yeah, there's this is how, guys, I mean by saying you can make money by just liking other people's posts. As you can see, there are several ways that you can use, guys, to make money in this site. So yeah, guys, if you don't understand, please make sure you ask, you comment down below there. I'll be able to answer you, guys. Let's share these ideas on how to make money online. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like and also comment down below and subscribe as well. Put that notification bell in order to get such videos like these ones. So yeah, guys, I thank you so much, and I really appreciate. I'll see you again in the next video, guys. So bye bye.